Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. Today I'm gonna show you a heatless beach waves hair tutorial in just 1 hour, not overnight, for those who don't like to sleep in braids and don't wanna damage your hair with too much heat every day. You can do this before doing makeup, and by the time you finish your makeup, your hair is ready to go. You don't have to spend another 30 minutes to do your hair. Let's get started. Here are what you need: a water spray, a hair clip, a scarf, 2 scrunchies, and this is optional, a sea salt or sugar spray. I use the Beach Waves sugar spray from Pureology. Now I'm gonna part my hair in the middle and separate it into 2 sections. Then I'm gonna spray water to damp my hair. Don't make it wet. It's not gonna dry completely after 1 hour, and because if it's still wet, we cannot see the waves really well. Trust me, I've learned from experience. I have tested this out for more than 15 times. So just spray enough water. As you can see, I spray my hair in layers so the water will be distributed evenly so no section is left behind. Then I spritz on the sugar spray. You can use the sea salt spray or hair mousse too, but my hair just prefers the sugar spray because my hair feels smooth, hydrated, and shiny with the sugar spray. Unlike the sea salt spray, it just makes my hair look dry, dehydrated, and tacky. Moreover, my hair just gets frizzy easily, so using this can help to tame it down. It's just me and my hair. You can use just water and still get the same result. Now I tie the other side up with a scrunchie. Then I run my fingers through my hair to make sure that my hair is evenly saturated with the product. When I feel my hair damp enough, I put the middle part of the scarf on the top of my head and I use the hair clip to keep it in place. Now I'm gonna do this side first for you to see the whole process. Then I will explain more details on the other side. Now I remove the hair clip and spray water and sugar spray on. Don't spray both sides at the same time, as when you are working on the other side, this side will be dry and you have to dampen it again, just once at a time. Now I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing. I pick up a section of hair in the front and a section of hair in the back. Remember to comb through it so it won't get tangled. Now I start wrapping the front section around the scarf by going over the scarf, then go under the scarf and go back to the front. I use my thumb and index finger to hold the scarf, so it's easier to wrap the hair around it. I use my ring finger and pinky to hold the back section, and my middle finger will be free so it can help to hold the front section while I wrap it around the scarf. I just pointed out for you to see how to do it the fastest and easiest way, using your fingers wisely so your hair won't get all messed up. Then I wrap the back section over the scarf, then go under the scarf and go back to the back. Now I'm gonna do the same thing but adding in hair. I'm picking up a section of hair in the front and add it in the front section, then wrap it around the scarf, go over and under, then go back to the front. Next, I'm picking up a section of hair in the back to add in the back section. Remember to smooth everything out, then wrap it around the scarf. So now I just keep adding hair until I run out of hair, then just wrap the front and the back sections around the scarf. I always do this method on my second day hair. I washed it last night. If you want to do this after you just wash your hair, just make sure your hair is still damp or almost dry, not soaking wet. Everyone's hair can vary from person to person. I have medium density and 1C type, which is almost straight with a little bit of waves. My hair normally doesn't hold the curl really well, even with the curling iron, and it usually takes 3 to 4 hours for it to air dry completely. I'm telling you this because you need to know about your hair to get the best result. If your hair is light density, finer than mine, and holds the curl well, you may need only 30 to 45 minutes to get the same results as mine. Or if your hair is thick and heavy density, it may take you longer than 1 hour. Just keep that in mind and experience with your hair. Now to the end of my hair, I use the scarf to wrap around it to keep it in place and tie it with the scrunchie. After that, I spray some more water on. If you want, you can spray some hairspray on now. And now it's 11:08. I will set the timer for 1 hour and I'll be back. Now it's 12:09. It's time to review the results. I was bored while waiting, so I just put on the eyeliner and try out some new makeup, and it turned out really great. Now just go back to our hair video. I take off the scrunchie and unwrap my hair. Remember to unwrap it gently and carefully if your hair gets frizzy easily like mine. Unwrap it section by section. Don't shake it out, it will be a mess. Do you see the waves? It's so beautiful. If you keep it on longer, like 3 or 4 hours or overnight, you will get beautiful curls. But we are here for beach waves today. So here's what I got after 1 hour. Now the last step is totally optional. You can stop here if you're satisfied with the result, or you can use hairspray or texturizing spray to add more hold if your hair doesn't hold the curl really well. But I don't like the way the hairspray feels on my hair, so here is what I use. This is the Shape Paste Sculpting Putty from Uemura. It's a sculpting pomade that adds hold and texture to create a PC semi-matte finish, which is perfect for beach waves. But I find it a little bit too dry for my liking in terms of application. So I take out this much and I mix it with 1 pump of the OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum. I blend them together with my fingers and apply on one side of my hair. And I mix the same amount to apply on the other side. This is the picture of the serum. You just saw a different bottle. As my son broke the nozzle of it, I have to put it in another bottle. This serum helps protect, strengthen, and hydrate the hair with coconut oil and silk. My hair looks more defined, piecey, shiny, less frizzy, and feels so soft to the touch with this mixture. Remember that you don't have to use too much product or your hair will get weighed down and really greasy. And that's not what you want at all. Here is how my hair looks before and after. It took me only 5 minutes each side, so 10 minutes in total to do this. After 1 hour, I had these beautiful beach waves ready to go. This is perfect for you if your hair is damaged by using the heat every day, or if you just want to get the look without damaging your hair with the curling iron. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you do enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.